I got lost at this plant. Look how massive this thing is, man. It's a Ford battery plant. This is huge. Picking up some ducting that he said they were supposed to install, but I guess they went a different direction. This place is massive. And this is a battery plant. Like, this is where they'll just make the batteries, not even the cars. Well, I'm sure they'll make cars too, but he said a battery plant. Man, what a beast. I was at the right place to begin with. I was calling them to check in, and he's like, oh no, you're not at the right place, blah blah blah. And then he says, screw that stop sign. He sent this guy to meet me. But it's crazy, like, this lady said there's 20 different contracting agencies here. I don't know, man, you know, gotta find these little crumbs that we can grab and make some money. Come on, Bubba. Stop looking for your snacks. Man's probably looking for some snacks or looking at his phone. Like, we're still driving around this plant, you know what I mean? Like, this is massive. I don't know if any of you have been to, I don't know what the biggest Ford plant is, but Toyota of Georgetown, Kentucky is massive. It's definitely bigger than this. It's just ridiculous how big the Toyota of Lexington, Kentucky, Georgetown, which is right above Lexington, is. I was wondering what this was. This is right along I-65 up here. I was like, what the hell is that going to be? That is huge. Now we know Ford. Well, it's nice at least they're building it here in the US, not sending this one to Mexico as well, or somewhere else in the world. Like, look how tall those ceilings are. That's crazy, man. That's like, I'm even talking on my behind, but that might be 50 feet. So that's more than 50 feet. Oh, we're taking a shortcut, huh? My bad. I'm going in there. close. Jeez, look how massive this is. Turn on my lights. Man, that's crazy. You're really taking me the scenic route. How big this place is, man. I'm still recording. Don't send Swift in here. Y'all gonna need some rebuilding. Don't send anybody who overpaid to get their CDL. I saw some girl talk about she paid 13 grand to get her CDL on freaking TikTok. That was crazy. Look at those big old Tonka trucks right there. I don't think those are even the big ones. Oh yeah, we taking shortcuts, huh? Up right here and load up. But yeah, this DJI is pretty crazy in the quality. But yeah, you can see this bumper is bent. And yeah, I'm wearing safety gear, don't worry about it. We don't have flip-flops on. I'm a dry van driver, not a flatbedder, but you know, we're still ready. Thumbnail right there, right? Yeah, could be a thumbnail. Just gotta make up some fake title, something that doesn't even happen in the video. Now let's get inside before we get into trouble walking around just recording. Check this place out. How big this is. Like damn. The amount of space here that I don't think they're even gonna use. He said they're kind of shutting this one down. Guess Ford ran out of money. It's massive. Bunch of ducting. Took a minute. At least it's light. They're ripping it with those little four-wheeler thingies. I honked the horn because I was trying to see how loud the horn was in here, and he came back. I need to get into some heavy hauling, flatbedding, something like that. Some heavy machinery. most of these guys, if not all of them, are all union. All union work. Union, union, union. Is he going left? Is he going right? Where are you headed to? Left it is. Noon. It's alright. I got like 4 or 5 hour drive. Yeah, how big this is. He said Nissan is taking care of this second plant. Ford is giving up on it. Nissan's gonna do this second plant, and then Ford is doing the other plant, which that's kind of crazy. We got domestic and foreign next to one another. And I came in this way to begin with, and the guy made me turn around. You can see like this is where they separate the two plants. Now this is huge. That's the small plant that I was in. The big plant is over here. That is crazy. Like, look at the size of that. Jeez Louise. Man. I wonder how many square feet it is. Alright guys, let's keep on trucking. We'll get out of here. Put our seatbelt on. We're probably just gonna go truck stop over here. Had some good breakfast earlier. Had some chocolate chip oatmeal with bananas. You hear that engine? I don't know what that does. Chocolate chip oatmeal with bananas and strawberries, some turkey bacon, some boiled eggs, and an apple. So pretty solid breakfast, honestly. Up here at this Petro. It's a big old camper. Not going in this way. The blue beacon, man. I should go wash my truck. I think it's filthy. I wonder if there's a line. If there's not a line, I'm probably gonna go wash my truck. Yeah, there's not a line. Yeah, let's go ahead and wash this thing. I haven't washed it in a very, very, very long time. And it's filthy. We're gonna do engine, truck, trailer, the whole 5 yards. I know you say 9 yards. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys and gals. Keep you guys posted. Hope you liked the video. Something more trucking, more POV. And, catch you on the next one. Stay safe. Catch you later.